Hey everybody. Something hit me up there while walking up the hill. If you're in your 40s or 50s, you remember the 90s, way back then. It was the sitcom era. And if you have a decent memory, during that time, every freaking sitcom would have a cameo by a certain orange man, and it'd always be a warm welcome. He'd always be playing himself. It would be a cameo, and it was always under some type of, oh, there's the billionaire guy type of shit. And I swear he did a cameo on every show. And if you think about it, why? They didn't do that with everybody. Other people. They were starting. Oh, hi. They were beginning the process of brainwashing you into thinking he was the billionaire ladies man, so you could hate him later. And if you really think about it, you can go back and find clips from all those shows. He cameoed on every freaking sitcom. So they were getting us ready back then. Peace.